केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो मतवारा हुआ रे, केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Finally, it is official. Ram Mandir trustees Champat Rai and Anil Mishra have been relieved of their responsibilities. In its first press conference since Chanda Chori controversy erupted, the trust confirmed that both resignations have now been accepted. It also unveiled its damage control blueprint. Krishna Mohan has been appointed interim general secretary. An overhaul of the donation management system has been promised. An implementation committee has been constituted to push through reforms, and devotees have been assured that every donated item and every audit record is safe and accounted for. But while millions of Ram Bhakts expected some tough talk, all we got was platitudes, even praise for the trustees who betrayed devotees' faith. Trust Treasurer Govind Devgiri insisted there was no option but to accept the resignation, that the two trustees were being magnanimous in volunteering to step down. There was no public review, no acknowledgement of institutional failure at the top. Instead, Govind Giriji hailed Champat Rai's decades of sacrifice for the Ram Mandir movement, called his resignation an act of maturity, and went a step further, declaring that Champat Rai remains untainted in his eyes. So was this about fixing accountability or giving a respectful farewell? Listen in.
संविधान के अनुसार, इस न्यास के बने हुए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन संविधान के अनुसार त्यागपत्र देते ही वह स्वीकृत माना जाता है, और इसलिए हम लोगों के पास अन्य कोई चारा ही नहीं था। उन्होंने स्वयं इस बात को हमें मूल क्लॉजेस को पढ़ करके दिखा करके समझाया कि यू हैव गॉट नो चॉइस। जब ये पत्र दे दिया है तो आपको उसको स्वीकार करना अस्वीकार करना ये बात आपके हाथ में नहीं है। अब उसको हम लोगों को मान ही लेना चाहिए। हम लोग राम राज ला करके रहेंगे और उसके लिए अपने को पुनः कटिबद्ध करेंगे, उत्साही नहीं बनेंगे।
इस जवाबदारी के निर्वहन करते समय मेरी कुछ प्राथमिकताएं होंगी। पहली, इसमें जो भी दोषी हैं, इस प्रकरण में जो भी दोषी पाए जाएंगे, हमारा आग्रह रहेगा उन सभी को न्यायोचित ढंग से जो भी उनको सजा मिलनी है मिले। इसके लिए हम बहुत आग्रही रहेंगे। जितनी त्रुटि कहीं जहां कहीं भी लूप होल्स हैं, कहीं भी कहीं छूटा हुआ है, उसको सबसे पहले बंद करना। इस प्रकार की पुनरावृत्ति न हो भविष्य में, इसका मैं पूरा प्रयत्न करूंगा।
This press conference was clearly a damage control exercise. The trust says it is determined to restore not only public trust but Ram Rajya. To reassure devotees, trust officials showcased some of the donated valuables once feared stolen, and insisted that every one of the nearly 2,800 items is safe, secure and fully accounted for. The assurance is the offerings are intact, the records are intact, and the system will now be overhauled.
किस प्रकार की 2800 वस्तुओं का रजिस्टर हम लोगों के पास उपलब्ध है और वे सारी वस्तुएं सुरक्षित हैं। ये 5 जिनकी चर्चा चली है वो आपको नमूने के लिए रूप में दिखाने के लिए हम लाए, अभी आपको दिखाएंगे। लेकिन इन सब बातों को दृष्टिगत रखते हुए हम अब आगे जो काम करने वाले हैं वो काम इस प्रकार का होगा कि कहीं पर भी किसी को 1% भी कहीं दोष निकालने की क्षमता न रहे। इतना शुद्ध काम करके दिखाने के लिए हमारा यह न्यास अब कटिबद्ध है।
ट्रस्टियों ने समाज को आश्वस्त किया है कि जिसने जो भी वस्तु दान में दी थी, कीमती वस्तुएं वह सब सुरक्षित है, और जिस किसी ने भी ऐसी कोई वस्तु दान दी थी वो चाहे तो ट्रस्ट के ऑफिस में समय तय करके आए और सत्यापन कर ले। ऐसा खुला निमंत्रण ट्रस्टियों ने दिया है।
But is this display enough to restore shaken faith, ask the critics? Can accepting 2 resignations become a substitute for fixing accountability? While General Secretary and a trustee may have stepped down, what about the treasurer? What about the rest of the trust? Questions that refuse to die down.
जो ट्रस्ट के जो ट्रेजरर हैं, जो ये घोषणा कर रहे हैं इस्तीफों की स्वीकारोक्ति की, वो कोषाध्यक्ष का क्या कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं होती? ऐसा कौन सी कंपनी, कौन सी ट्रस्ट, कौन सी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का कोषाध्यक्ष ऐसा होता है कि उसके साइन ही नहीं लिए हो जाते किसी भी चीज?
जो इस्तीफा का लिए स्वीकार हुआ है, बड़ी मछली में निपेंद्र मिश्रा हैं, बड़ी मछली में चंपा राय बंसल हैं, अनिल मिश्रा हैं, गोविंद गिरी हैं, गोपाल राव हैं, इनको गिरफ्तार करके जेल भेजा जाए, तब प्रकरण समझ में आएगा ना। ये चोर चोर मौसे भाई वाली बैठक है। जो इनकी ट्रस्ट की जो इनका जो बॉडी है, इसको तत्काल भंग कर डिसॉल्व करें।
Now, while the opposition may well be asking legitimate questions on accountability, its own credibility is under scrutiny. Why? Because not every allegation is leveled, has to stand up to scrutiny. Some have been challenged by the trust with tangible evidence. For example, all the expensive items donated, pictures and evidence has been shown. Take Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav's claim that a gold-plated Ramcharitra Manas manuscript had gone missing. Today, the trust displayed what it said was that very manuscript, insisting had never been stolen and remained fully accounted for. So, will the opposition now acknowledge that some of its charges may have gone too far?
सच्चाई तो ये है कि चढ़ावा, चंदा, दान, चोरों का गिरोह जन आक्रोश का सामना नहीं कर पा रहा है। ईडी, सीबीआई, इनकम टैक्स होता तो किसके हाथ में होती जांच? और एसआईटी जांच हुई तो किसके हाथ में है? ये पावर स्ट्रगल की वजह से ये सब कुछ हो रहा है।
कि जिन लोगों ने कभी राम का नाम नहीं लिया, राम का विश्वास नहीं किया, राम भक्ति जिनकी पीढ़ियों में कभी हुई नहीं, ऐसे लोगों को राम भक्ति उभर करके आ गई। कार सेवकों पर गोलियां चलाने वाले अचानक राम भक्त बन गए और जालीदार टोपी पहन करके और केवल इफ्तार पार्टा के लिए जाने वाले और कभी आके राम जी का दर्शन न करने वाले भी राम जी का दर्शन करने के लिए आ गए। अनेक लोग अपने अन्य स्वार्थों के कारण भी आए हैं, ऐसा मुझे आभास होता है, क्योंकि जो कभी यहाँ पर आते हुए दिखाई नहीं दिए, अनुकूल बोलते हुए दिखाई नहीं दिए, उनकी राम भक्ति इतनी उभर करके आई, यह केवल आश्चर्य नहीं है, यह षड्यंत्र है।
And that, ladies and gentlemen, brings me to the legitimate question on the News Hour tonight. Is accepting the resignations of Champat Rai and Anil Mishra and displaying some donated ornaments enough to restore people's trust in the temple trust? That's the question, and that's the debate on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate tonight, Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, national spokesperson of the BJP and member of parliament in the Rajya Sabha, Sriraj Nair, national spokesperson of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, joining me live from Mumbai, Sanjay Jha, author, senior Congress leader, also joining the debate, Somnath Bharti ji, former minister and senior Aam Aadmi Party leader. But my first question goes to Ghanshyam Tiwari, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Ghanshyam Tiwari ji, it's very clear that some of the allegations leveled by the opposition may not have been very correct. यानी कि मतलब there was a controversy, तो आपने उसको बढ़ा चढ़ा कर भी कह दिया. Today, will you take responsibility for the allegations that have now proved to be wrong? Number one. Number two, corrective action has been taken. The people on whom the spotlight was have now resigned. Their resignations are accepted and a new beginning has been made by the trust. Why is the opposition still making political capital out of what happened in the Ram Mandir.
गुड इवनिंग अविका टू यू द व्यूअर्स एंड द फेलो को-पैनलिस्ट। त्रेता युग में रावण ने सीता मैया का हरण किया था। कलयुग में इन लोगों ने अयोध्या में डकैती की है। राम भगवान राम का हरण करने की कोशिश की, उनके चढ़ावे का हरण करने की कोशिश की है। करोड़ों राम भगवान में आस्था रखने वाले लोगों को आहत किया है। व्हाट हैपेंड? 12 men appointed by the Prime Minister's office. They were handpicked. They are responsible. There are CCTV footages. While India was fighting Operation Sindoor, this operation of Chadhawa Chori was underway. It did not come to the fore on their own volition. It came to the fore, we spoke about it, and then they did not take corrective action. Eventually, this government, which made Bhagwan Ram political currency, Prime Minister Modi went to the Ram temple every now and then to do his own marketing, to put posters like Hum Bhagwan Ram ko laye hain. Yogi Adityanath went to Ram temple every now and then for his own political marketing. What were they doing? Either they are part of it, they orchestrate it, or they don't care. Now it is up to viewers to decide that the party that has amassed 15-20,000 crores of chanda in last 10 years, has a hand in every pocket, doesn't know where the PM case fund goes to, is oblivious about this Chadhawa Chori that has happened, has not put one person in jail. The SIT has no standing. There is no CBI, there is no ED, there is no other committee of standing that is looking at it. And the person who is responsible, the press conference, आज के बाद देश में जो भी चोरी करे उसे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करना चाहिए, उसे अपने चोरों के गिरोह को, सबसे बड़े आदमी को कहना चाहिए तुम इस्तीफा दे दो, उसे बताना चाहिए कि एज ट्रेजरर
substantiate your charges. What were the charges? आज तक तो आपने गोविंद गिरी जी का नाम नहीं लिया, अब आज क्योंकि action on others have happened, you have started taking his name. The question, Sudhanshu Trivedi, is Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, I want to respond to all the charges that have been made by our friend Ghanshyam Tiwari ji, who's now increased the liability on the BJP as well as on the trust. Please respond.
I will respond both on the technical and political aspect. Govind Giriji has categorically spoken that when it was accepted, the resignation was accepted, Mr. Parasaran, who is a leading lawyer and who was the lawyer of Sri Ram Lalla Virajman, one thing is to be noted, कि इस मुकदमे में श्री राम लला विराजमान खुद एक मुद्दई थे. वन ऑफ द रिस्पोंडेंट वाज श्री राम लला विराजमान हिमसेल्फ, एंड देयर लीडर्स इन द डिस्गाइज ऑफ लॉयर्स वर स्टैंडिंग अगेंस्ट श्री राम लला विराजमान. खैर, अब इस पे आता हूं. He said that once a resignation has been given, as per law, he quoted the law, that is to be accepted, and that can only be accepted the meeting of the committee. So the trust has sat down and accepted those things. It was as per the pure legal process. And if somebody is having any objection, I have asked several times on several channels, can they quote any law which gives an authority for the government to directly interfere and directly remove anybody, but bypassing the Trust Act, particularly when the trust has been made on the instruction of the Supreme Court. So whatever government was doing, it is in strict accordance with the whatever the law says. Government has bypassed in a certain manner the power of the trust and initiated an SIT. I can ask you, can they name a single religious trust on which the SIT has been initiated without any resolution and primary evidences? When the primary evidences came, 8 people were FIR. When the final report will come, obviously others will have. Now that comes the next point. Why the meeting was on the 6th of July? Because previously on 15th of June, SIT has started working. On 30th of June, it was likely to submit the report. So on 1st of July, if they have submitted the report, 2nd and 3rd, it might have come in public domain. So accordingly, the trust has decided to have a sitting on 6th. Now it has been increased to the 15th. So, and trust has also made it clear कि वो जो चीजों के बारे में बात हो रही थी, गोविंद गिरी जी कहा 2800 articles are there, and whosoever is the authorized representative of those who have given, if they want, they can physically see about the 5 things which has been there in the media. They have shown it. Now, coming to the political aspect, नाविका जी, जब हम लोग बच्चे थे, नारा लगता था बच्चा बच्चा राम का और जन्मभूमि के काम का, और आज इन लोगों के अंदर जो राम भक्ति दिखती है तो मुझे लगता है कि झूठा सच्चा सबे राम का, पक्का कच्चा सबे राम का, और चाहे लगन से बोले चाहे जलन से बोले, हर नेता हुआ भगत राम का। मगर हमारे शास्त्रों में, पंचतंत्र में भगत और बगुला भगत दोनों देखा गया है। और अब मैं ये भी बताना चाहता हूं, हम लोग बचपन में आज जो कुछ हुआ है, इट इज हर्टिंग फॉर एवरी हिंदू, फॉर एवरी डिवोटी, फॉर एवरी कार सेवक। I, as a child, was present in 1987 April Ayodhya rally as a young boy. I was also present in April 1991 ये जो दिल्ली की रैली हुई थी, जिसमें कि आज योगी जी ने कहा ना कि भगवान राम भारत की आत्मा है, उसी में नारा लगा था, भारत के है राम आत्मा प्राणों से भी प्यारा है, गली गली में मात भवानी का गूंजा जयकारा है, कहो गर्व से हम हिंदू हैं, हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। बट मैं एक और बात कहता हूं, नाविका जी याद करिए, उस समय एक नारा चला था, जिस हिंदू का खून न खौला, खून नहीं वो पानी है, और जन्मभूमि के काम न आए वो बेकार जवानी है। आज जो आघात लगा, मैं कहता हूं हर हिंदू का हृदय टूटा, आज आंख में पानी है। आपने देखा ना, गोविंद गिरी जी भावुक हो गए थे। हर हिंदू का हृदय टूटा, आज आंख में पानी है। हर दोषी को सजा मिलेगी जिसने की बेईमानी है। मगर जिनका खून पानी बन गया था, जिनका
वो आज सवाल पूछ रहे हैं,
खून बना,
वो आज सवाल पूछ रहे हैं घनश्याम तिवारी जी।
बात करें तो ये भगत नहीं शैतानी है।
घनश्याम तिवारी जी, एंड दैट इज द क्वेश्चन, पॉइंटेड क्वेश्चन टू यू। रामचरितमानस की बात अखिलेश यादव जी ने कही कि वो चोरी हो गया है, दैट हैज बीन डिस्प्लेड टुडे। रिस्पॉन्ड टू दैट, ईदर टेक बैक द चार्ज दैट वाज पुट और apologize. There can't be allegations, just out of thin air.
मैं बताता हूं शैतानी क्या है। The man who did press conference as treasurer
Ramcharitmanas question first. Ramcharitmanas question first.
Please, I will not respond to heckling. I will respond in my own way.
This is not heckling, sir. I'm sorry. With due respect,
please.
I am asking you a question. You can respond later. I'm asking you a question. I'm the anchor of the show. I'm the anchor of the show. I'm asking you a question on Ramcharitmanas. Please respond.
Yes, the response to that is, every item, if the trust had to come clean, if this missing MIA treasurer had to come clean, he would have said that here are all the items that have been donated so far. Here is all the receipts that have gone to everybody who has donated. Have you seen any receipt? The man who's missing as treasurer comes up and shows a few artifacts and says these are these 3, 4, 5 donations fulfill all the tens and thousands of donations that have gone in. And you here, as a national news anchor, would say that that man has more legitimacy than what questions
I've not said that.
Asking?
I've not said that. And you're putting words in my mouth because on Ramcharitmanas you don't want to respond and say that allegation was wrong. Other allegations, well, Sudhanshu ji will respond to those. But on Ramcharitmanas, the gold Ramcharitmanas donation, your allegation has been proved to be wrong. On the rest, please, you don't sit in judgment of my position here. You can ask questions to Sudhanshu ji, who will respond to you. Sudhanshu ji, what about other donations? What about other receipts?
I will reply to what. Yes, what Mr. Ghanshyam Tiwari has said. Though he is one of the most educated, I think, one of the such a highly educated spokesperson of Samajwadi Party, who's a Harvard educated, and with due respect to you, don't Ghanshyam, you don't take it otherwise. Such a foolish thing, how you can say that? Why not every artifact has been given? Because whenever anybody donates in the temple, it is considered confidential. हुंडी में डाला जाता तो गुप्त होता है. और उन्होंने कहा कि whenever any authorized person from them will come want to see, then he can see. And most of the people do not want to show what I have given, because this is a matter of respect. This is not the matter of quid pro quo contract and the amount deposited. So legal position is this and the moral position is this. Without taking the permission of those who has given those things, you cannot show it to the public. Otherwise तो वो पब्लिक नहीं, क्या वो तो बैंक में डिपॉजिट कर देते, बैंक के लॉकर डिपॉजिट कर देते. इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूं, ये जो व्यर्थ के कुतर्क आप लोग करने लगे हैं, उन्हीं से बात समझ में आता है कि कौन, अब फिर छोड़िए उन सारी बातों को ऊपर, कौन कहेगा. अभी तो राम गोपाल जी का वीडियो वायरल हो रहा था जिसमें उन्होंने ये कहा था
Can I
कि
respond?
हिंदू हमें वोट दे या न दे,
Can I respond?
मौलाना
Can I
वैन
respond?
कहो या मुल्ला
ये
मुलायम
what about
कहो,
है?
उन्होंने कहा
ये-
था
ये what about है?
छत के
ये what
ऊपर
about
गुंबद
है?
पे लोग चढ़
चोरी
रहे
हुई है,
थे,
चोरी
मगर
पे रहते
नीचे
हैं।
नहीं उतर पाए,
चोरी हुई
गोलियां
है।
चला दी गई। किस लेवल
चोरी
की
पे
थॉट
हुई-
से
चोरी
कहा
हुई है,
था, इसलिए
चोरी
मैं
पे
कह
रही
रहा
है।
हूं शैतानी
आपके नाक के नीचे चोरी हुई है।
और अगर मैंने
मैं
गलत
बताता हूं।
बात कही तो लीगली गलत हो तो बता दीजिए।
बताता हूं कि अगर नविका जी 30 सेकंड दे,
एंड दक्षिणा which is
30 seconds दे।
You know, घनश्याम तिवारी जी, चोरी हुई है इसमें तो कहीं कोई दो राय नहीं है। 8 लोग अरेस्ट भी हुए हैं, कहीं कोई दो राय नहीं है। एसआईटी भी एक फॉर्म हुई है, कहीं कोई दो राय नहीं है। माय क्वेश्चन टू यू संजय, आई कम बैक टू यू घनश्याम जी, बट आई वांट टू गेट इन द अदर्स हु आर वेटिंग पेशेंटली। संजय झा, I want to ask you, are members of the opposition trying to expand the purview of the resignations that they are seeking only because, frankly, it's time to milk the political controversy that exists? Because as far as action is concerned, delayed but has been taken today. And all statements that have said that whoever is authorized can come and check the other donations. Nobody is denying that there was not misappropriation of funds. But today the question is being asked, why SIT, why not ED, CBI? ED, CBI पे आपको कब भरोसा हुआ है? When they have been appointed, you have had a problem with them. Also today you are asking for the CBI. What will satisfy your opposition?
Navik, good evening to you. This is a very sensitive subject because we're dealing with a very sacred issue of Bhagwan Ram's donations. This is not just a financial crime we are talking about, Navika. This is what I would call is the betrayal of religious faith. And the reason why Sudhanshu is trying very hard to do all the whitewashing and why it will not play out is because if anybody has played a crude kind of politics with religion, it's been the Bharatiya Janata Party, which has weaponized everything in the name of religion, including Bhagwan Ram, for electoral arithmetics that suit them. Here is the truth. Here is the hard truth, Navika, that cannot be ignored. And this is a question that needs to be answered. You know, my friend Sudhanshu very often uses shairi and sher. Let me remind you of a very popular Hindi film song that Devanand actually sang in a film. देखो ओ दीवानो तुम ये काम न करो, राम का नाम बदनाम न करो. ये आप लोग सोचना चाहिए. The entire trust, if you look at the management of the trust, Navika, they are all members of the Sangh Parivar, whether VHP, whether RSS or whatever other antecedent. Now the question that anybody will ask, okay, and I'm not going to be cynical about it, that if you are getting donations of 10 to 12 crores a month, and you are warned 6 years earlier that you need an SOP, SBI warns you and you do nothing. CCTV footage is hacked, and we are supposed to believe that, barring a few minor actors who've been arrested, everybody else is above board. Why didn't Mr. Modi bring the Ram temple under the RTI Act? Is Bhagwan Ram's temple and the trustees BJP property? You have had people say this. You have had religious people saying that they have converted the entire Ayodhya into an RSS BJP office. I'm not saying that. These are people with religious credentials.
Okay.
I mean,
but
so
Sanjay Jha, valid questions. I'll get Sudhanshu to respond to them. But just before I pass it on to him, you said Ram Mandir is a very sensitive issue. जब राम मंदिर का फैसला होना था कोर्ट में, कौन समय मांग रहा था बढ़ा दो, अभी मत करो, it will influence election, तब sensitive नहीं था. At that time it wasn't a sensitive issue. It's suddenly only when you have got a political opportunity to milk the controversy has it become a sensitive issue. Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, if this is not politics, what is?
Navika, let me answer that question once and for all. Sudhanshuji, just give me 15 seconds. I remember when Kapil Sibal was arguing that in the courts, the basic point that he made was that, listen, there is an election round the corner. This is going to be a subject of great, kind of sensitivity, which can become inflammatory. And therefore, if this judgment can be deferred after the election, whatever be the judgment, it will be more prudent. That's all. Sorry, Sudhanshuji, thank you very much for giving me the time.
Ji, respond.
No. Okay. Now I will take from the last sentence which Sanjay Jha has said. Kapil Sibal was a law minister in Congress government. And when he appeared as a lawyer, he was a lawyer on behalf of Babri Masjid Action Committee. A mosque which was, and into the initial affidavit in 1961 it was given, the mosque made by Babur who invaded India, it is written in the affidavit, against Sri Ram Lalla Virajman. And our law minister was Ravi Shankar Prasad. When he appeared as lawyer, he was the lawyer of Sri Ram Lalla Virajman against the Babri Masjid Action Committee. I think the things are very clear about it. Who was considering sensitivity and who was considering negativity. And you are the people who never went to Ram Temple despite being invited. And if invitation is there, anybody can go and not go. But Congress party has written in writing that we will not come. बट आपकी 3 पीढ़ियां बाबर के कब्र पे बिना बताए गई. 1959 जवाहरलाल नेहरू, 1968 इंदिरा गांधी, 2005 Rahul Gandhi along with Manmohan Singh. So people are very clear. Now on the question technical issue of why not Ram Temple come under RTI Act. So sir, can you quote any clause in the Trust Act which is there prevailing in the entire country in which the trusts are under RTI? And even if you want, okay, you are the same people just 2 months back when those NGOs and trusts who were conversion and just government has asked the FCRA Act, just you show how you are utilizing the foreign fund, you people jump. Oh, it is the infringement in the power of the trust. How can government even ask from where the money is coming from abroad? And in Karnataka, it is your government. Last month, a person was caught on Banduri airport. It was also an NGO and trust, the Timothy Institute. He was having 25 international debit card. And it was found that in the last 4-5 months, they have got 92 crores of repeat that has been withdrawn from the ATM. And when ED asked, you people were sympathizing to him. That how come? Because the trust law says that even if the illegal money is coming, even for the conversion, even for the subversive activities, those should not ask. और यहां पर 6-6 गज की जबान निकाल के कह रहे हैं कि अब लॉ नहीं है तो भी होना चाहिए. इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूं स्ट्रिक्टली टॉक लॉजिकली, स्ट्रिक्टली टॉक technically, and then we can answer all those things which are politically. So people are wise enough to understand that who is doing what and what is their real face. सबको पता है आपके लिए राम मंदिर क्या था. मगर मैं फिर भी एक बात कहूंगा नाविका जी, 1993 में जब आफ्टर द डेमोलिशन वी कुडंट फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट और सपा बसपा कांग्रेस आई, सारे मौसेरे भाई मिलकर सरकार बन लिए थे, डिस्पाइट बीजेपी वाज द सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी. तब एक नारा लगा था, मैं मुलायम काशीराम हवा उड़ गए जय श्री राम. सच ए अटर मॉकरी. उस समय हमारी एक नेत्री ने कहा था, ये नारा इसलिए लगा है क्योंकि समाज ने एकता दिखाने में थोड़ी कमी कर दी. जिस दिन आप एकता दिखा देंगे उस दिन जो नारा लगाते थे
देश में मुझे लगता नहीं कभी होगी, बिकॉज विपक्ष एंड रूलिंग पार्टी विल नेवर हैव कॉमन ग्राउंड. देयर पॉलिटिक्स इज अपोज्ड टू ईच अदर.
बट देखिए सब जय श्री राम बोलने लगे. जो बाबर भक्त थे वो राम भक्त हो गए.
बिल्कुल, वो चोरी के बाद. उससे पहले किसी को राम भक्ति याद नहीं थी. एंड दैट इज द क्वेश्चन आई वांट टू आस्क यू सोमनाथ भारती जी. सोमनाथ भारती जी, nobody is saying that there were not problems with the way the donation funds were treated. Of course, चोरी तो हुई है, चंदा चोरी हुई है. कितनी हुई है? जितना विपक्ष कह रहा उतनी तो नहीं हुई. वो ऑलरेडी फैक्ट्स दिखा रहे हैं. आफ्टर दैट there has been question mark on the Secretary General, Champat Rai ji, Anil Mishra ji, Gopal Rao. All of them are no longer part of the trust. They have stepped aside. Late, but that action has been taken. Now for the opposition to expand the purview and to say, sabko hata do, ye kar do, wo kar do, is this political opportunism?
Navika ji, I've been very patient listening to all the panelists. And see, I was just reading the law once again, because the new law, the IPC, which was replaced by Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, I didn't see any provision which says that resignation is also a punishment and that's over. So the new law, made by Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi, which is just sort of little bit changes here and just wanted his name on the new law. There is nothing new. Even there is no provision whatsoever. So is this the solution of the theft, massive theft, and the sentiment which was hurt of 100 crore Hindus? That's one question. Number two, we kept asking the gentleman from SP that what about Ramcharitmanas? Let me read a statement of none less the person who donated this. He says, मैंने RSS के प्रमुख मोहन भागवत से मुलाकात करके चंपत राय की शिकायत की थी कि सोने की मढ़ी रामायण का कुछ आता पता नहीं है, जहां इसको रखा गया वहां अब है नहीं। भागवत जी ने चंपत राय को संदेश भिजवाया कि इस प्रकरण को तत्काल देखें, लेकिन चंपत राय का अहंकार आसमान पर था, उसने एक नहीं सुनी। जब आरएसएस प्रमुख की बात नहीं मानते थे चंपत राय, तो दूसरे की कितनी सुनते होंगे। मुझे बहुत कष्ट है, अपनी मां और बीवी का जेवर गलवा कर मैंने सोने की रामायण बनवाई थी जो अब तक गायब है। कोई रसीद नहीं दी चंपत ने। एस लक्ष्मी नारायण, पूर्व केंद्रीय गृह सचिव, भारत सरकार, नई दिल्ली। मुझे बताइए, अबे हमसे उनसे क्यों पूछ रहे हैं? इफ वी हैव एक्सेस, प्लीज आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन टू लक्ष्मी नारायण जी।
Okay.
Question is that you can, of course, put political opponents down, but you are not questioning.
नहीं देख के आए क्या सर?
You are not questioning Brijbhushan ji. You are not questioning Bageshwar. You are not questioning Karpatri ji Maharaj. You are not questioning Santosh Dubey ji. The problem is everybody is out to make it look like a small thing happened. We have corrected things. Everything is all right. Let's move ahead. I mean, where is the SIT report do we have? Even a journalist of your stature has not been given the SIT report, and the reservation which were given by Champat Rai and Anil Mishra, even they are not even in public.
Somnath Bharti ji, considering you are in a generous mood, पंजाब की सारी reports मुझे भिजवा दिया करिए। पंजाब की तो आपके हाथ में है ना सरकार, वहां की सारी रिपोर्ट्स मुझे भिजवा दिया करिए। Journalist of my stature should have all those reports as well.
Is it not the duty of BJP spokesperson? No, why? See, Navika ji, why you are defending the BJP government?
नहीं, उनसे तो मैं मांग ही रही हूँ, साथ साथ मौका लगा आपसे भी मांग रही हूँ। But Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, please respond. Sriraj, I'm just coming to you. Sudhanshu ji.
10 seconds.
One thing, I think Mr. Somnath Bharti has not seen the TV or the news since the last 3 hours, because that Ramcharitmanas has been properly displayed. And second thing, with due humility, I would like to say, since he's a lawyer, so I would like to ask him that since Kejriwal ji and Ghanshyam ji is here, Akhilesh Yadav ji are saying that their allegations are substantive. So they are they ready to substantiate in writing a complaint to SIT, or even if ED, CBI, whatever happens? Or second thing, are they ready to appear in front of any investigation and inquiry, substantiate their allegation, say yes or no? If you are ready, I'm talking strictly about life. Forget about the status of Kejriwal ji as politician and Akhilesh Yadav as politician, because everybody is saying he is a Ram Bhakt. So now I want a technical and clear-cut categorical answer from you. Kindly give an answer.
Yes,
Ghanshyam ji,
yes,
Ghanshyam ji, respond.
See, I have a letter which is dating 28th of June 2021. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
this letter we have seen. Last 2 weeks we have discussed, debated this letter, and an investigation on that is being done by the SIT. We have acknowledged the fact that you raised it, Sanjay Singh ji raised it first. But Ghanshyam Tiwari, are you going to, on the fresh donation scam, Ramcharitmanas, are you willing to give a written complaint? Question raised by Sudhanshu ji. Respond.
Here is the answer. Sudhanshu ji mocked me saying that donation receipts are not allowed. I am reading from the Ram Tirth Trust deed, which says what is the donation rules for a cash cap of 2,000 rupees. It says that what is tax deduction rules. It says that what is the niyam for mandatory receipt when you donate something. and it also talks about donations, digital and e-guidelines. So I'm not talking out of hat. I'm not here to defend the thieves. I'm here to question those who committed this act of dacoity on Ramlala. And I'm not going to wish-wash here. The Prime Minister is responsible because he used Ramlala for his political marketing. If an SIT has to question, the SIT must question those leaders who are visiting day in, day out, like Adityanath. He was visiting day in, day out. He should be questioned about what happened to the CCTV. Who hacked the CCTV? Amit Shah should answer that who had the CCTV. How can the CCTV of such an important national monument be hacked? And the Prime Minister should be questioned because he goes to Ramlala with all fanfare and cameras.
So will you allow all temple trust CCTVs to be given to the Home Ministry? What kind of argument is this? Sriraj Nair, first to you. Is this all, and this is the common thread of the questioning, is this all the temple trust needs to do to expect trust to come back to Ram Mandir? That's the primary question.
Well, Navika, today you saw the press conference which was conducted by the trust authorities by Govind Devgiri Maharaj. He spoke in length. And after that, you got the bite of Alok Kumarji, our VHP International President, the newly interim Mahamantri, the General Secretary, Krishna Mohanji, and many others. All were saying with one voice that whatever has happened is absolutely painful, and not a single person who is a culprit, who will be found guilty, should be spared, and the strictest of punishment according to the law is to be given to those kind of people. But here what is happening is, the quantum of the amount, every time the opposition, consisting of Aam Aadmi Party, Congress and Samajwadi Party, they are continuously switching the goalpost. Now, what is the quantum? Now, today, in the press conference, after the press conference was over, a press release was circulated. I'll just read. निधि समर्पण अभियान एवं कॉर्पस दान के माध्यम से प्राप्त कुल राशि 3,264 crore rupees. Out of that, 2,370 crore rupees has been spent on the construction. Till now, as far as Chadhawa is concerned, 582 crore rupees has been received. Out of that, 311 crore rupees has been spent and rest are in the bank. Now, now I was listening to Mr. Somnath.
Please tell us the theft amount.
The temple
theft amount is not detailed.
Whatever has been given in kind is in place. It is in place and it is recorded.
So now, is your point that there has been no theft? Chori hui hi nahi? Is that your point?
Troubled water. पता है ना मैडम, there are lapses, चोरी हुई है, उसी का तो investigation जारी है. Let the SID come with their final report. We are saying we will not shield anybody, we will not protect anybody. But looking at the 2027 election, all this hit and run is happening.
Is this about the 2020? You've hit the nail on the head. Is this about the 2027 election, which is why this whole issue is being politicized day after day after day? We did a survey and we asked the question, Champat Rai, Anil Mishra out, enough to restore trust? Yes, say 52% people, no, say 42%, can't say 6%. Well, more needs to be done. That is the writing on the wall. While people are convinced to a certain extent that this is the first step, more needs to be done as far as accountability and investigation is concerned. But till then, is the opposition only interested in politicizing the affair, not really Prabhu Ram or the Ram Mandir? Well, that is a doubt people continue to have. Thank you very much to all my panelists joining me on debate number 1.